What's cracking? My friend Chris was helping me out with this model a little bit and checking out a line, and he suggested a line down here from the bottom to kind of create a consolidation wedge here, which would be the biggest consolidation wedge triangle reversal in the history of the stock market, probably. This is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So I was playing around with this line a little bit, and it looks like if you kind of come off the end of the consolidation area, you can kind of get a couple more reactions. Or if you come off of this line, it lines up with our initial trend reversal, and it cuts this and gets reversals, but it also touches those a lot tighter. And that looks like the angle that we're actually on right now. And so I think that might be a good line to throw in here. And I tried to do a similar line on the previous cycle, and it didn't really do that. I mean, it came back up and it touched the outside tangent once after it broke out of the consolidation here, but now we broke out of the consolidation zone here, and now we've hit this outer tangent twice, and then smashed the like button right now, please, to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, so we hit this outer tangent twice, and that sets up a giant question, a bunch of giant questions. Question one is, in technical analysis, a kind of triangle wedge doesn't say what direction. Like, you could shoot out this way or this way. It just indicates that you're going to shoot out. And my model doesn't care what technical analysis says. I don't hardly use technical analysis. This is a cyclical model, 3-month credit contraction down cycle, and it's like a bounce and a bounce. That's the basic shape of this kind of cycle. That's what we've been looking for the whole time, and it's doing a pretty good job. And what we want to see here for this cycle is we want to see a repeat of this pattern here, where we go bull trap, dead cat, break it, back test. So we want to see bull trap, and then we want to see like some action on this, then a dead cat, then break it and back test. As soon as we break this Volker line and back test, that sets up the long-term bear market, and then we can get another repeat of this pattern on a larger time scale. But right now it's getting questionable because now we're getting out and we're testing this outside tangent a bunch of times. And we might be looking at just kind of sticking on this tangent a little bit and then just bouncing off the top of the Volker. And then that would set up this as a long-term resistance line that would be the bottom of a new bull market line. So a bounce off the top is more of a bull market scenario, and breaking it and then back testing it is the bear that we're looking for. So those are all the ideas, and I still think that we're just going to come down here and just kind of get a lower consolidation soon. And this is surprisingly aggressive over here. I thought we were going to come down and do that before all of this, but now we're getting this crazy wedge consolidation. So that's what's happening, and happy trading. Oh, wrong.